Hey everybody, this is Epoxy Chris and welcome to howtodoepoxy.com. Today I'm going to walk you guys through how to do a garage epoxy floor. Now on this project today we're going to cover about 450 square feet with a full broadcast flake floor. Now these flake floors are really durable, scratch resistant, and chemically resistant if you do them the right way. And we're going to start out by diamond grinding the concrete floor. Now a lot of times there's plenty of different ways to do this, but today we're going to focus on grinding the concrete with our diamond grinding concrete machine. The diamond grinder will remove all the imperfections on the surface of the concrete. It will also open up the concrete pores so that it accepts the epoxy base coat a lot better. Now after we diamond grind the entire floor, we're going to go around the perimeter with a hand grinder and cut everything in. Now we're using a specific HEPA filtered vacuum designed for concrete dust to remove the dust off of the floor. So this vacuum that we're using is called an Ermator S26. And it cleans the concrete very, very well. On garage floors, you have the option to fill the saw cuts or cracks or to leave them completely exposed. And so today with this floor, we're going to go ahead and fill those cracks in with an epoxy mortar patching material. Right now we're applying tape to the bottom of the baseboards. That way when we roll out our epoxy, it doesn't get all over the wall. Now we're pouring out our base coat of epoxy, and what we're going to do here, we're going to squeegee this out. We're going to back roll it so that it lays nice and flat and smooth. And then we're going to go back on top of the flakes after it sits up for about 5 or 10 minutes and broadcast our epoxy flakes to full rejection. That way the whole floor is completely covered evenly with this durable, slip-resistant flake floor. Now as you can see, the floor is already starting to look beautiful, so we're going to continue to press on here, and we're actually going to do something different that we normally don't do on a project, and that's paint the walls. I will tell you that it really makes the floor look so much better to have a finished wall, so we went ahead and did that for this customer on this project. Now after the flakes have been completely broadcast, we're going to go back the next day when the floor is dry, and we're going to scrape the floor with a floor scraper. This doesn't scratch the floor, it just removes any sharp pieces of flake that are sticking up out of the epoxy. The most important step before applying your top coat is making sure the floor is clean, and so we've done that thoroughly before we're applying our polyaspartic top coat. Now this top coat is really scratch resistant, it's durable, it's chemically resistant, and it's also UV stable, so it's perfect for a garage floor. Wow guys, as you can see, this floor turned out absolutely beautiful. This floor and this garage went through a complete garage makeover. If you like this video content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel on howtodoepoxy.com. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.